In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable background agents in Cursor, connect to GitHub, and optimize your environment. We'll start by making sure the feature is available. Open Cursor and head to Settings, then the Beta section. Look for background agents and turn that toggle on. This enables automated behind-the-scenes tasks like running checks or preparing changes without you manually prompting each action. If you don't see the option, make sure your app is up to date and that you're actually in the beta area of the settings. Next, let's adjust privacy so agents can do their work. In Settings, find Privacy Mode and turn it off. With Privacy Mode disabled, the agents can securely clone your repository in the cloud to analyze code and propose changes. Only do this in environments where it's allowed by your team or organization, since the code will be processed remotely. If you're working on sensitive projects, confirm your policies before proceeding. Now connect your GitHub account. When prompted, authorize Cursor to access GitHub. This lets the agent open branches and create pull requests on your behalf, making the review workflow seamless. You'll see a standard authorization screen. Grant the minimal scopes required for PR creation and repo access. Once authorized, the agent can propose changes and submit PRs automatically, keeping your main branch clean until you approve. If you want a custom runtime, you can configure an advanced environment. In an environment.json file, reference a Docker file to define system dependencies, and a setup.sh script for post-checkout tasks like installing packages. For example, you might run an npm install or set up language-specific tools. This ensures the agent runs with the same toolchain as your project, reducing works on my machine surprises. Keep the Docker image lean and cache layers where possible to speed up builds, and make sure the setup.sh script is idempotent so repeated runs won't break anything. Finally, choose a powerful model to get the best results. In the settings or the chat panel, pick a model designed for larger contexts, often labeled as a max or high capacity option. A stronger model will better handle long files, complex diffs, and multi-file reasoning, which is especially helpful for refactors and PR descriptions. That's it. Enable background agents in the beta settings, turn off privacy mode so the agent can operate in the cloud, connect GitHub for PR creation, optionally define a Docker file in setup.sh, in environment.json for a consistent environment, and select a powerful model for superior outcomes. With this setup, you'll get faster, smarter, and more reliable assistance right inside your workflow.